Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the complete M to end to end. Sorry for that. End to end EML project with deployment. Okay, so somebody can having problem with deployment, and I'm going to build a simple linear regression model, and I will try to open a new Flask app, and I will try to show how to create a new Visual Studio folder and how to deploy it in uh, GitHub as well as Heroku. Okay, so this video will longer. I think nearly it will touch 1 hour. Okay, so I don't know. I'm going to start now. Okay, so our ultimate aim is just today, right? First we are going to build a model. Okay, model. First we are going to build a model building. Then we are not. What we are going to do means we are going to build a Flask app. Okay, then uh, apply it in Heroku server. Okay, so this is what we are going to do now. Okay, I will try to explain each part in depth so you guys can easily understand what I have told and how to deploy it in Heroku server. And I will try to show how to solve problem solving, error handling. Okay, so if you are going to deploy it in Heroku, so you may be face more number of problems like some more glitches in Heroku app, and lots of error will throw you the Heroku app. Okay, so I'm here to solve all the error, and I will try to explain, and I will to clear all the step of model building. Okay, so first step is that our model building. Okay, so have created my folder. Uh, it's just it's a simple linear regression model. Okay, so we just create the linear regression model from scratch, and then I will show you how to deploy it in GitHub. Then I will show you how to create a Flask app, then we will create and deploy to Heroku server. Okay, so let's go ahead. Then yes, we have a okay. I have created a one folder. Okay, before going to deploy anything in the server, just create a one separate folder. I prefer to create a new environment, but I am here just using the small, very small project now. So I'm just going to use my base environment. Then I'm going to okay, let's start. So I'm going to build a new model of my linear regression model. So let me show how to do that. Okay, so I'm just creating the new Python folder. Let's name. Okay, let's rename this. Mhm. So the- it's just my name. It's my making up. I'm just importing pandas, and then I'm just inputting numpy. So I hope you know about this. This video requires at least your model building experience. At least you need how to build a model. So then only you can understand what I am doing right now. Otherwise, you cannot be understanding. It will be very difficult to understand. I'm just importing the matplotlib pyplot plt. Then import cbon. I don't use cbon here. I don't use matplotlib here. Okay, I'm just using matplotlib. Matplotlib in okay, so I have imported my basic libraries like pandas, numpy, uh, matplotlib, and pyplot. So let me show a interesting thing. Okay, so let me plot one thing. Plt plot. Okay, so array of 1, 2, oops. Okay, so np. uh, okay guys, so see here. Okay, this plot having some if I zoom here, this this is the shading part here. You can see the numbers clearly. 2.75, it is look like shading part now. So what I'm going to do here means, okay, I'm just importing one module. See here, im- from IPython, you need to import, you need to download this package. Just go and search for PyPy. You will definitely get the PyPy package. Okay, from IPython import display. Okay, display dot matplotlib formats, right? SVG. So the SVG format is there now. So okay, okay, this line was executed correctly. So let's see here. This picture I was created before importing the iPhone. Okay, so IPython. Okay, I'm just rerunning this plot. Let's see this. Okay, take time. See here. So I'm just now zooming. There is no shading part here. Okay, this is what this two lines is doing. So this IPython is nothing but interactive Python. From interactive Python, I'm just importing the display part. Okay, and then I'm just displaying the. I'm just setting the display part matplotlib formats as a SVG format. So SVG is a format, as a vector format. So it will give yeah, detailed picture like a DSLR picture. It will give a DSLR picture. Okay, so this is what I'm doing now. So this is not necessarily needed, but you can. It is very useful library if you are plotting something. No, so you don't need to worry about anything. Like if I grade now, so it's look nice actually. So that's what I'm good doing, like SVG. SVG is nothing but a vector. So see here now our plot look very good now. So this is what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to importing my data now. Let's start a model building now. Okay, I will try to upload all my notes, Jupyter notes in GitHub. Don't worry. So our model building, right? Okay, so model building. We are going to do a model building now. So it's a simple model, guys. It's a very simple model. I'm going to create. Okay, so don't think, Aravind, why you are importing. You are doing a simple model. Just wait. I have created. Okay, graph prediction the CC. Okay, I have imported my data file. I will try to give this file. This is small file. If you want to output, I will give it in the description of this video. Let's see, guys. This is my model. Okay, so let's tell about this model. This is a simple model, guys. So this is the score of to 1%, SAT score. It is the American exam SAT. So we are going to predict uh, GPA via SAT score. Okay, so our dependent variable is GPA. Then our independent variable is SAT. Okay, our target variable is GPA. So what we are going to do means it just here we are going to predict GPA based on SAT score. Okay, nothing at all. We are going to predict GPA score based on SAT score. It is simple model, guys. It's a very simple model. It is a beginner level model. In, if you are stepping into the machine learning, this is the first model you will see about linear regression. Okay, so okay, get the info. So we will get lot of information here. So all are int and 64. Just we have only two columns, and it is there is no null content here. It's very good actually. So what we are going to do? So nothing. We are not. We are going to do nothing. I'm just directly go to model building. I'm not going to do any feature engineering. I'm not going to do any what kind of. I'm not going to do anything because this model is pretty much fine. We can check is there any snare is there. Okay, this is the command to check is there any null is there, any null values is there. Okay, there is no null values in our data. So I am just quickly going into separating my model. Okay, so data dot sat. This is the independent variable, and this is the dependent variable. Okay, so this lines I will explain why I am doing right now. Okay. Okay, definitely this code will work fine. Okay, reshape spelling wrong. Man, okay, maybe some glitch in. So definitely this code will work fine. Okay, so let me show why I have done like values dot reset dot minus one comma one. Okay, so if I take the data dot set score, see this value is just a one row. I'm just printing the save now. So in this value is just one row. Okay, just 84, just 84 only, 84, just only one column. Okay, so our model will expect at least one, one column instead of that. Let me, so I'm printing the x value here. So x dot, okay, see here. So this is what our model need. At least our model need one row actually. Okay, so our model need one row because sorry, one column. Our model need one column. Here we are using only rows only. So here there is no mention because why we are using that? We are using only this kind of shape, like this kind of shape. Okay, so if you want to give your model building, so we need to reshape the value into minus one comma one. We don't need to reshape anywhere in the another kind of model building. We just need to reshape this line here only. So this line is very much necessary. So you may be face some problem if you don't reshape your values here. Okay, so that's what I am reshaping here. Okay, so this all guys, I'm just importing my model and then I'm just reshaping here. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Okay, then I'm going to separate my model. Okay, I mean extend on the version from sklearn dot model selection. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm just going to separate my model. So I'm just writing all the code from scratch, guys. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just try to pay. I hope you know about this concept. If you don't know about this concept, make sure please know about that because if you don't know about this, you can deploy your model in Heroku platform. Okay, so I'm just making a test size of 0.3. So making model code. Three something. What do you want? Just something. Okay, guys. I'm just separate my model. So from I'm going to import linear regression now. Okay. So actually, I forgot where is the linear regression is situated from. Okay. Let me try. Sklearn dot lin. I have occurred many days before, guys. I think this right. So linear regression is found on SQL and on linear model. I was worked many days, many years ago on linear regression. It's a decades ago. So okay, let's go ahead and build a simple model. Okay, guys, I'm going to initiate my linear regression here. Okay, I have initiated my linear regression here. Then I'm fitting my model to extend and extension. Extend wait. Then I'm just going to predict the new thing for me. Predict. Okay, guys, our model is ready actually. You don't need to compare your MSC. I know. Sorry for that. I just forgot to fit here. So, okay, let me check the MSC here. That matrix import means square error is okay. Absolute error. Okay. I just click, yeah, then print F string. We will make a F string then. I click F, but you have okay. So absolute error is okay. Ah, very good guide. I was activated the autocomplete in Jupyter Notebook. That's why this kind of glitch is there. I would definitely off the autocomplete. Spread actual value, predicted value minus actual value. We will do both the things. Your own. Let's check. Okay, EOF fuzzing. I forgot to complete the code here. This is what I told. I'm here with you to complete your error problems. Okay. So guys, we have built our model. It's a simple model. Okay. So nothing done, guys. We just reshaped. It is the future engineering part actually. We just reshaping our value. That's all. We don't do any special things here. I'm just fitting into simple linear regression model. Okay, guys. Then I'm going to save my model into pickle file. So if you are going to deploy it in a Heroku server, you need a pickle file. What is the pickle file? Let me tell you what I'm saying. So if you are going to deploy in your model in Heroku, so you need this kind of lines, right, from scratch. Okay. So pickle file. This is why pickle file here. Okay. So what pickle file can do means pickle file can save this model. Pickle file can save this model, and it will give the output easily. You may be confused what I'm telling. Why are you are confusing me? Don't worry, guys. I know you are not understand what is pickle file. If you know, okay, it's very good. Let me import pickle, and I will try to give example. I will try to show you. So if you see in front of your eyes, you may be you can understand instead of telling. Okay, I'm just importing the pickle here. Okay, so first, if you are going to save your model, you need at least your path. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, mhm, I'm going to copy my path. Okay, so here's my path. Okay, so this is my path. Then I'm just pasting here. Here, you just change your backward slash to forward slash. Okay, because you are saving onto your computer file now, so that's why here I'm just changing here. Okay, this is why I'm using the autocomplete. It will save my time now. So here you need to give your name. Hope 3 3.pkl. Okay, so it's the extension, guys. It is the extension. You need to give the extension file. Otherwise, this file will complete like text file or Python file. This is the pickle file. Pickle file means you are giving the extension to your file. Okay, this is the path, guys. Just give your path as a separate variable, then we can understand. Okay, so guys, see the syntax here with. Okay, I know you know this with option in Python. If you don't know, please go and refer somewhere. Okay, so I'm just opening this path. Just see here, guys. I'm just opening this path, and I am saving my model. Okay, so what my model is that LR. Okay, so my model is LR. No, so I'm just saving my model as file. Okay, I'm just saving my model as file. Okay, then what I'm telling. Okay, so I did it wrong with that. Okay. Okay. So guys, see here, this is syntax. Sometimes I can also forget the syntax. If you are going to forget your syntax, just go and refer somewhere. Uh, it will happen sometime actually. Guys, understand? First thing you need to give the path. Okay. First thing you need to give the path, and then you need to give your format. Okay. I'm just giving write byte. I'm just telling my pickle file just uh, write this file as a byte format. Okay, this is the meaning of WB is the right byte format. Okay, then what I'm going to do now? So I'm going to save my model. Okay, file this file dot dump. Okay, dump to path. Let me tell. I don't know it is right or wrong. Actually, I also pickle. Oh, not his pickle. Mm, okay. So position 2 is missing. Guys, if you actually forgot your code, I definitely I am accepting. I has forgotten the code. Okay, so let me tell what I need to give here. Let me check. This is okay. What file must write attribute. Done. Okay. Definitely it will give you error. Okay, guys. Let me show you how to do that. Honestly, I was forgotten. Actually, I have a one notebook with me, so I will see a reference there. Let me go to the notebook now. Okay. So, okay. So here's the notebook. This is a hope for just making just a yeah board. It looks nice actually. Mhm. Okay. L. Then what we need to give. Okay, guys. I think this will work. Actually, I forgot that. Let me not tell the syntax how to do it. Okay, so guys. First, I will decompose this. Okay. So what I'm telling means I'm just opening this file. This lines of code will tell I am opening this path. Okay, I'm just opening this path, and I'm telling uh, and then read write byte. Okay, so write byte is nothing but what are the things I'm going to give. You need to write as byte. Okay, guys. So this lines of code will tell just open this path. Okay, the open this path and then I'm telling so write this as write byte. Okay, then what I'm going to do. Okay, then I'm just calling the pickle file. So pickle is the library. I'm just calling the pickle file. I'm just dumping. Dumping means nothing but you may think like inserting. So you maybe think as inserting the file. Okay, inserting into. I'm just calling pickle. Hey pickle, just insert the LR. What is LR here? You may be confused. What is LR here? Okay, guys, LR is our model. This is our fitted model now. So LR is that our X train and Y train are fitted with the variable called LR. Okay, I'm just fitted the fitting variable now. So I'm just fitting. I'm just giving the LR here. So LR here. Then what I'm telling means then write byte as this file. Okay, guys, file. This file is nothing but here. Okay, guys, this file. So what I'm telling means please write this model as write byte. Okay, guys, so let me tell. You may be confused. Okay, I'm just opening. If you want to see your model now, so let me tell. Okay, path. Here I'm just asking write byte. Okay, guys, write byte as file. Okay, what is the write byte, Aravind? Let me tell. Okay. So I just want to see the one sat score 1114, right? I have made mistake. Okay. Okay, guys. See here. I didn't do anything. Here's 2.40. Here's 3.16. Okay, guys. I'm just focus on here. You maybe think it is confusing. I also confused you. Sorry for I apologize for that. Okay, guys. What I'm doing here, I'm just creating one path on my folder. Okay. I'm just creating my path on folder, and this two lines of code. What I'm doing means I have created one model here, right? So what I'm telling what I'm doing here. So this model can fit with one file. Okay, see here I have a pickle file. Okay, this pickle file this pickle file is located on this folder. Okay, so what is the pickle file? So pickle file is the shortcut. You maybe you can think like that shortcut. So this shortcut will give directly go to model building variable something. Okay, you don't need to do if you are going to do another analysis on this model. You don't need to run all this command. If you run this two lines of code, okay, what I'm doing here means I'm just opening the path. Okay, I'm just opening this path. I'm just opening this path. Then I'm just telling read the byte. What I told here, I just told write byte. Okay, here I'm just telling RB is nothing but uh, write byte. Okay, write byte. Then I'm just storing it as file. Okay, so I'm just loading that. Okay, in on pickle and I am storing in model. Okay, so what I'm doing means I'm just simply calling model dot predict function here this line. Okay, you don't need to write this amount of line of code. Instead of that, you can save your uh, build a model on this file, whatever you want pickle file. Then you can call this two lines of line. Then you will directly go to the model.predict file. This is what I'm doing here. Okay, guys, I hope you are pretty much clear with the pickle file. If you don't know, so just re-watch this video or go to somewhere to watch pickle file. I have confused a little bit. If you know about pickle files, then that is very good actually. So that's all, guys. This is about model building. It's a very simple model building. I didn't do any data visualization, any future engineering. I didn't do anything, but we have built a model. This is for a demo testing purpose. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to do means I will going to create a simple app file and a Flask API. I am going to create a simple API now. Okay, so now I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is just handy tool to create API, and it is very simple to do that. Okay, then I'm going to open my current folder here. Title compression. So hope this is what I'm working now. Okay, so I have created the current folder here. See here, I have a pickle file and IPNB interactive Python notebook and a CSV file. Okay, now I am going to create app.py. Okay, guys, so here I am going to write a simple Flask app using PyWebIo. Okay, what is PyWebIo? Actually, guys, PyWebIO is a simple interactive web application. You don't need any uh, uh, HTML, CSS. You don't need anything. You don't need anything. If you give some two amount of lines, then two amounts of code, it will show a interactive web application. First, I will show you how to create in web in localhost. Then we will check in localhost. If our localhost is very good, then I'm going to deploy it in Heroku server. So let's go, guys. Okay, guys. I am not very good in coding skills. Now what I'm going to do, okay, I will explain my code instead of writing everything. I'm going to explain my code. Okay, guys, then just wait, guys. Okay, I'm going to explain this code. Don't worry, I will explain clearly. Don't worry. Okay, guys, let me zoom. So guys, this is what our web application look like. You maybe think what are even how much lines it is. It is very simple, guys. Let me tell why I am just explaining because of writing. Because it will take time actually. If I forgot some lines, I need to refer somewhere. So it will take time. Okay, okay, guys. This is our importing module. This is our importing module. Okay, guys. Uh, from Flask. Okay, from Flask, I'm just importing Flask and send from directly. Then I am just importing PyWebIO that import for everything. Then the platform. I will tell everything clearly. Just give me a minute. Okay, you may be confused. I don't know anything. Why you are just going forward? I will tell. I will tell. Okay, guys. Before going here, I will try to explain these two lines of code. Okay, guys. See here. I'm just importing there in my Jupyter notebook, right? So I have imported PyWebIo dot input and import everything. PyWebIo dot output and input everything. Okay, guys. So here what I'm going to do, just simple. Import, enter your name. I know you know this. Extra what I'm going to do, text. See here, guys. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to shift enter. It will create a new environment. See here, guys. I didn't do anything actually. Huh? I'm just importing these two lines of code and just telling the type of text format. Okay. So I'm here doing. Aravind. It will don't show anything. See, guys. It's not showing anything. I'm just asking. I'm just calling the variable a. See, Aravind is there. Same. Like I'm just copying this code. Okay. Instead of number. Okay, guys. I'm just calling this. I know if you are working with Jupyter Notebook, so it will crack. Actually, this kernel is not good for web application. Okay, so now what I'm going to do? It will throw error. I know it will throw error. So I will show another one example. Then we will move on and switch to the code. Uh, I'm just going to restart this. Restart. Okay, because uh, IPY kernel is not good enough to make more Flask application and some other thing. That's why we are moving to the Visual Studio Code. I'm just importing this lines of code from PyWebIo.input. Then I'm just going to write 38. So this line age. See here, I'm just going to write age and then going to giving submit. Okay, that's all, guys. See here, yeah, it's running 19. What I mentioned 19. So this is simple web application, guys. You don't need to write any HTML, CSS, JavaScript to enter your user interface. This is simple. That's what I'm going to here set. My first variable is set here. My independent variable is set now. So I'm just asking from the user input, enter your set number and type as number. Okay, guys. Then what I'm going to do? Okay. Then I have one pickle file, right? This pickle file. I have no, we have created one pickle file now. So I'm just importing the pickle file here. See here, pickle that load open and just I'm just telling read byte. Okay. So what I'm doing here, so I'm just simply calling this model file and then I telling predict of stats code. What I'm getting from the user input and then I will tell I will I just predicting that. Okay. Then I will show to the predicted variable to the user. The put text command will try to the this put text command will try to show the comment into the user interface. Okay, guys, this is all about this code. Okay, this is all about this code. Then what this line, guys? So app.add URL. This is the essential line. You maybe mark up this. You need to give this line. Okay, first I will make this as a comment. Okay, then I will run this lines of code. Okay, guys, then you maybe understand what I'm doing here. Then I'm just making save this. See, guys, it's running. Our web server is running. I will explain the code. Don't worry, don't worry. I will explain the code. First, I want to show you how the user interface looks like. It will show not found, but you have a trick. It's loading, right? Just wait for a second. Okay. Enter the SAT number. Okay. So 1714. I'm just giving randomly. See, guys, your score is 3.16 on 9470. It's asking some other time. So this kind of maybe some glitch. what's happened in the server. I don't know why. Showing 200 is very good. Maybe I will have some. Okay, guys. Actually, this was the user interface. I will explain the code now. First, before that, I will cancel this. Okay. So, that's guys. Okay, let me explain the code. Okay, so you know about these two lines of code, PyWebIo input and PyWebIo output. So this lines of code, this line of code is uh, from PyWebIo platform that Flask. You are no, we are seeing in a user interface, right? For user interface, we need to give this lines of code. First line, we need to import this line. Then we need to import this basic this two lines of code from PyWebIO import static path and then import start server. Start server is something, but I will explain. These two lines of code will help for if you are going to deploy it in Heroku platform. Okay, so then this is the normal pickle file and numpy, and this is arc based import arc based. Then I'm just loading my model, and then it's a Flask. I'm just starting my model here. Then what I'm going to do, if you are going to deploy it in your Heroku server, first you need to comment this. Okay, and you need to uncomment these lines of code. Okay, guys, if our code is correct, I'm just asking the argprice dot argument pricer because this parser will help to make our code visible in the Heroku. Okay, then I'm just adding the argument of minus p minus p port. Type int default equal to 8080. You may be confused. What is this minus p port? Okay, so if you are going to deploy it in Heroku, you need proc file. What is the proc file? So if you are giving something to something to your friend, you need to give something your instruction. So this proc file is the instruction for your Heroku. So this is the user friendly instruction, web that python that app that py. So what I'm telling, okay, hey web go to python app.py. Okay, go to Python app.py. This is nothing but this file, guys. Python app.py. Then run this line of command minus pp.sp put. That means what I have give here, right? Minus p into minus pp put. Okay, so it will run these lines of code. Then it will run everything here. This is what this four lines of code is doing. If you don't know about what is the code is, how is the code was running, just copy paste this code. There is no need of understanding this lines code will mandatory. This code line is mandatory if you are going to deploy it in a server. Just think like that. Okay, guys, just this is proc file. You need proc file actually. Proc file is the, I don't know, this is the instruction for Heroku. You need to give the instruction like, hey web, go to python app.py and run this port. Okay, this is what we are doing now. Then you need a requirement.txt file. You maybe see what are even the 150 lines of code is doing here. Simple, guys. I have created a separate video for a requirement.txt file. I suggest you to see that. In simple words, a requirement.txt file is nothing but this is the file you need to give to Heroku file. If you don't know, I will give the description of my video in of requirement.txt file. Just go and come back here, then you can understand how to do that requirement that Texify. This is just a 10 minutes video. It's just a 10 minutes video. Okay, guys, this is our app.py. Then we have created the separate filer. Now we will go to the Heroku platform. Okay, guys. Before Heroku platform, you need to deploy it in your GitHub. Again. So I'm going to Heroku now. Your session was expired. Okay. I think this. Oh, this way, guys. I Definitely it will go open. Okay. So what I'm going to do, this is the user interface, guys. If you don't know what is Heroku, this is the platform to deploy your machine learning model. Okay. So what I'm going to do, after signing into the Heroku, this is the user interface. Just click new, then create new app. Okay, guys. Your app name. You need to give your app name. My app name is um. Okay. Try for fun. It is available. Yeah, I know. Just try for fun. Okay, guys. Now what I'm going to do. Uh, before that, you need to deploy your folder to GitHub. Okay. For that, you need to deploy your folder to GitHub. I have deployed in GitHub, guys. I will give all the code here. I will give all the code. If you directly upload in your server and if you send to your accounts, it will definitely work. Now what I'm going to do, actually this is the path file I have deployed. This is the app.py. This is the hope.pkl file. Then this is the recommended.txt file. This four file is needed. This four file is essential. Okay. So after deploying it in Heroku, just connect here. Here's the GitHub. Connect to GitHub. Just connect to GitHub. Okay. Then if you want to, then what is the file name he's asking? Just I'm just telling hope. The folder name is hope. I'm just connecting to my hope here. Okay. Okay, guys. Have connected to my hope. Then here you need to deploy a branch. Okay. So just wait here. Just click the deploy branch here. It will automatically download everything you want here. See here, guys. It is downloading, installing SQLite, and uh, installing, downloading metadata. It will take time actually. It will take time. It will take at least 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes. Then it makes some sense actually. Installing build dependencies, installing people will download. And guys, you don't need to do anything. Just this kinds of do just connect with your GitHub account after you upload it in GitHub. Then just search your repository here. Then just deploy here. Just search, after searching your deploy after you connected with your deployment, your GitHub repository, just deploy. Just give deploy branch. Then it will automatically do everything because we have gave proc file. First, it will look on proc file here. It will search. It will, you know, in proc file what we have gave. Just go to the hey boy. Just go to the app.py and run this two lines of code. Okay, so it will go to the app.py file. Okay, and then it will run these two lines of code. Okay, so after this two lines of code, then it will run everything. So that is why what we are doing here. So start server, NASA start server predict. Predict is nothing but our function here. Then it will do everything. Okay. Then after that it will see the requirement.txt. Then hope.pk. It will take the file from pk file. Then it will so see here. Downloading NLTK Corpora. Learn more about ASTI PPS Dev Center. It will take time, guys. Actually, it will take at least 3 to 4 minutes to deploy it in a cloud server. Okay, so see here, it's sources compressing. Uh, Rockfield declares type web. No, you don't need to do anything. Actually, the Rockfield and app.py, what we have created before, it will do everything for us. Okay, guys. Just wait for 1 or 2 minutes. I will try to show some other things interesting. We'll go to the model meeting. Yes, guys. I hope you know these two lines of code, and then yeah. Uh, Okay, I want to give you some interesting fact. Okay, guys, before I will give about some interesting facts about Markdown. Okay, just go to this cell and just click escape and then em. Then it will be a Markdown. Okay, like it is a Markdown. It is a Markdown now. What I am doing now, just escape and em. It will be a Markdown. If you give 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star, you can give 5 star. 5 star is nothing but it's a simple word. Then click twice. Once is heading. Then if you give If you give this 3 star, it will make a horizontal line. And we give right arrow bar like step 1. See here, step 2, step 3. See here, step 1, step 2, step 3. You may add many things. You can easily add some photos here. Let me show how to add some photos. Just go to any photo you whatever you want, and then just click right on your keyboard and just copy image. Okay, say copy image, nothing guys. Then just press Ctrl V here. That's all. It will show your photo. See here, this is a markdown trick. You may be familiar with markdown trick. That's all guys, this is about markdown. Let me see on what our Heroku. Guys, see here, our ready, our your app was successfully deployed. Okay, I'm just going to view here. See guys, enter the SAT number 12344. See, your score is 2.5031. Okay, I didn't upload any correction on that. This is a simple app. What I have told, like, let me check in our own model. Okay, so okay, I'm just restarting this. I'm just restarting this. What I'm going to give, uh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is what I'm going to give here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The model is not okay. I'm just importing that. See, let me see. Pickle 2.5031. Let me check. It is coming to our web server. See guys, we got the same answer as Jury Notebook as well as 2.5031 here. This is all about this guys. And if you want to know, I have done some other interesting thing. Let me show you. I have created my another GitHub repository. Let me show you. So this is about the Paris space classification. Okay, so I have deployed it in build file. Then okay, so I have deployed it in a Heroku server. It is it is good actually. Let me see how to open that. Open up. Actually, if you deployed it in Heroku, so whenever you are going to first time, it will take actually at least uh, 30 to 40 seconds because it is the free server, so they don't give the fast action for you. So if multiple persons just going to your server for same time, it will take lag. Actually, I'm the one person who I am going to this app, so actually it will take some amount of time. Whenever doing first time, it will take some amount of time. Then it will definitely go actually. Let me check another one time. See here, we I have a another. I have created another one application. Okay, so Arvind, my age 19. This is all about welcome. This app will help to find the house price in Paris. This is all about the house price. We are going to predict the house price here. Just selecting 0, 0, 0. He's asking number of rooms. I'm telling 12 rooms. Then has storage room how much, then measurement how many meters it's taking. Okay, so I'm going to check all the things are correct, then I'm just giving the submit button, then it will give the answer. See here guys, your house price is one cents and don't think like that. It's this amount of money. So this is what I have done before, I think 1 week back. So you can develop your PyWebIo application like this. It's a simple one, guys. I also copied the code from some other, then I just patched with my own capability. So you can also do like that. Okay. So this is all about this video. So I think I have cleared your doubt on model building. Yes. And if you may be still confused on Flask app, just copy the code. And I know you are very good in Heroku. I think you are not good in. I think you may not be understand the Flask app because I have not teached well properly. But if you know about Flask app, it's very fine. If you don't know, just copy the code. Then within two or third, second or third times, you may be familiar with the line of code, so you can easily understand what I have mentioned before. So okay, guys, have a good day. I think I have explained good. I don't know how much time I have spent to teach this video. Okay, guys, this is all about the Heroku platform. I will try to upload this code in my description, and you maybe get the code. Okay, guys, see you soon on next interesting video content. Bye bye.